Okay, bye-bye, Sagan. Sorry for... Huh? Oh, good. Okay. That makes me feel better even if you weren't. This is Volney's first business trip, so these last couple of days is I'm just getting used to this, so. Bye, Yanni. You guys have a great day. Thank you. And there goes the doors. And the air brakes pretty soon. Once everybody gets seated, and your seatbelt. Oh, there they go. Bye-bye, Sagan. Bye-bye. Have fun. Let's see, which way do you go? I'm going to take a right. Okay. And go pick up Mr. Kevin.